Okay, so today I'm going to show you a little bit about your smart number and what you can do with it. Um, when you log into your KV Core site, first thing up here, this is your smart number. However, you are given a free number through EXP. It does have an extension on it, and that is routed throughout the company. So if somebody forgets to use your extension, that's going to go to some other agent, and you don't want your lead to get lost. So the best thing to do is for $27 a month, buy your own smart number. This can be used in marketing, lead capture, because also um, if you give out this number and leads call in after you purchase it, they are automatically captured as a lead source in your KV core. So you don't ever have to worry about now losing leads and get them into your CRM system. They will automatically come in here. How you go about to purchase that number is you want to go to Marketplace Add-on Manager. Let's see. Marketplace add-ons, and you want to go to core add-ons. You want to go your smart number add-on, and then click add to KV core. Now I'm not going to fill all this in. I already have my own personal smart number. So here again is $27 a month, and you just fill all this in, and boom, you have your own smart number. Now, another thing you can do with it is you want to go to listings. Now, let's say you have your own listing, or if you're using someone else's with their permission. You want to go to this listing where it says more actions. You can post it to Craigslist. So I have already downloaded the extension for here. So now I just need to go up here to my tools, and we'll do this together. I'm going to go right here, set URL, allow. So boom, it pops up that I'm in the Tampa Bay area. Okay. I'm going to refresh. And let's see if that's all that it wants. This is something new on how they wanted this set up, so no. And you click on the area, so evidently, and then that sets it all up. Oh, let's see, since I've changed computers, I do not remember my Craigslist login. Hopefully I won't have to. Now we're going to go click to post to Craigslist. I'm going to do Hillsborough County for now. And it automatically loads this all in. Now, the one thing you'll have to watch is if you are using the company smart number, you need to go in here and take it out and just put in your cell phone number. Okay? But if you do have your own smart number, place that in here. So right here, we have this all set up. Nice pretty picture. Don't have to type anything in. I mean, unless you just don't like the other realtors' information. Now, because I didn't pay attention where this was at, I'm not going to hit publish. But all you do is click publish. There you go. This is some free marketing that you do not have to pay for. Get it up here, and you are getting some free leads off of it. Now, there's something. You can do call and text capture, and that was kind of what I was telling you if you have your own smart number. So here you can see this is my own smart number. This is This was the one I was originally given by EXP. So my custom code was Angela D7. Now you can go in here and change custom codes. So let's say if you have a house listing. Well, you just do add new, and you can just use the street address for that house listing, because you can put your smart number or and I'm drawing a blank as to what it's called, the QR code on that listing and link it to your smart number. And then you can have a hashtag set up to where these things are automatically going onto a campaign. And boom, you have your automatic leads right into your KV core system. The problem with trying to use the company provided one is, you have that extension. And so there's a good chance that those leads will not go to you. So this is pretty much smart numbers in a nutshell. There's not much more to go over. There's a few little things, but this is just the basics. Start with the Craigslist post once you have your own, and if you don't, then just remember go in and change to your personal cell phone number within that ad. Once you can, immediately go get your own smart number. You'll find it very useful. I mean, I love it because all my missed calls, I can go right in, especially now with all the telemarketers that we have calling. And I can see, was it a telemarketer or was it one of my leads or was it a new lead? And it's all going to be captured right within KV Core.